Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we're gonna solve this problem of minimax sum. And in here, in input, we are getting a array of size 5. And for that, we need to provide them the minimum sum and the maximum sum as an output. Like, how we gonna do that? Okay, so first we're gonna this total. We're gonna total this all. Like, first step, we are just doing the total for the array given. Then we just need to find the minimum value of this array and the maximum value for this array. Like minimum is 1 and maximum is 5. Then we're gonna minus this from this total to get our minimum and maximum sum. Okay, let me explain you that while doing the code itself. Okay, so for first I'm finding this minimum value. I'm using this min function of Python, which will give the minimum value within a list or array. Okay, and for the max value, I'm using this maxi variable to store our maximum value in here in itself. Okay. Then now I need to find the total. So for that, I'm using this for loop. I can use sum function as well, but I'm just using this. Len function will give the size of the array. Okay, and I'm using this total function, which will give me the sum of the array. Okay, and adding array element to it. Anji, then it will give me the total sum. Okay, I haven't defined it. That's why this yellow line here. So let me define it here. Okay. So now what we need to do, we just need to print. And no, first we need to minus, then need to print. Okay, so for max, okay, let me first do the min sum. No? Min sum. So how we gonna get that? We gonna, if we might do a subtraction between total and this maxi. Okay, we will get the minimum sum, because if we minus the maximum value of the array from this total, we will get the minimum sum. Okay, and for the maximum sum, we're gonna do total minus mini. Anji, I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to say here. What I'm trying to say, okay? Yeah, like if I will let's just consider this array size 5 and having value 1 2 3 4 5. In minimum is this mini variable, I have stored this 1. Okay, because I'm using this min function. What it will give, it will give the minimum value within that array. So it is 1, so mini is storing 1 here, and this max is storing 5 because I'm using this max function here, right? So it is storing 5 here. Okay, and then I'm doing this total sum for this array, and then for these, for the minimum sum and the maximum sum, if from this total I just minus this 5, what will I left with? I left with the sum of these, and what it will give me, it will give me the minimum sum for this array and respectively for the maximum sum as well. Anji, so I'm just printing it now here like this, and let's just check whether it will do. Yes, so it's tests. Okay, let me submit it now. Okay, just wait for the 13 one as well. So it's passing all the test cases. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.